Mr. Allen here, about to do some math. We're going to find the area of this kite. All right. So we have the congruent segments of the kite here, right? So we know that it's symmetric about that horizontal diagonal, right? It'll reflect over, so everything kind of matches up that way. I've got two measurements, an 8 and an 18. Now, the area for a kite is going to be diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. That's one option of doing that. We can also break it into triangles, but I'll go ahead and use this dope formula that we know. Now, I've got one of my diagonals. We'll call it diagonal 1 by getting 8 plus 18. That's going to be 26, right? So 8 plus 18, that gives me the 26 that I have right there. But I don't have diagonal 2. And I'm not sure how to find it right now. I don't have two sides of a right triangle to do a little Pythagorean theorem. Like if I had this side right here, I could do Pythagorean theorem with that 18 and then figure it out. Same goes for the 8. And if I had that one, but I don't. So what else? Well, how about this? So this is a right angle right here by the definition of a kite, right? We're told that it's a kite. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other and one of them bisects the other. So I do know that these two are going to also be congruent. If I can find one, I get the other. All right. A special formula from many, many moons ago, the altitude on hypotenuse theorem, meaning I have a right triangle and this altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of that overall larger right triangle. I can set up this particular formula. We'll call this x right here, and x squared is equal to 8 times 18. And if you didn't remember that, I don't blame you, man. That's a specific one from a while ago. But hey, useful again. So 8 times 18, that's going to give me 144. And then square root of 144, that's nice. It's 12. So this is 12 here, which makes my overall diagonal then 24, right? 12 plus 12, whoop, that gives me the 24. Now I'm ready to use this particular formula, plug it all in. So let's do that. So I've got 26 times 24 divided by 2. I think we're going to plug that one into our calculator. So if I plug those in, let's see here, I got to turn it on. You know, it saves battery automatically, right? Okay, so we've got 26 multiplied by 24, and then I'm going to divide that all by 2. I'll hit enter, and then I'll divide by 2. Bada boom, bada bing. 312, and I don't believe we have any units here, so just 312 units squared. That is my final answer for the area of this kite. If you did not remember that altitude and hypotenuse theorem, that is a challenging one. It's something that can pop back up, especially for spiraling reviews in a book or something like that. So be aware of that altitude and hypotenuse theorem to pop up here and there. Mainly though, your Pythagorean theorem, your Pythagorean triples, special right triangles, those are the go-tos within these quadrilaterals. All right, you guys have a good one.